Hello and welcome to YouTrip podcast. We are coming to you live from Sati 2026 Yashobhumi, right at the heart of India's biggest travel and tourism marketplace. We are in conversation today with one of our travel agents to understand what is really shaping the travel industry so far. Let's get started. All right, so to start us off, could you please introduce yourself in one line, your name, your company's name, and the city that you operate from?
Yeah, so my name is Mansi and I belong to JTB India. So it's a Japanese MNC company and in India, in found 2012, but in Japan it's the oldest company, more than 111 years. So basically we are doing MICE, but we have also other departments like SMM and all. So they are handling the B2B and domestic queries, but 70% we are handling international and MICE. So we pitch the client corporates and more than 100 or 200 packs in a group. So we're doing all over the world.
Okay, all right. In one line, what would you say is the toughest part of being in the travel industry?
The toughest part is to satisfy the client, each and every pack.
I'm
So
sure, I'm sure. Okay, so let's just lighten it up a little with a quick rapid fire round.
sure,
And I would request you to keep the answers short, crisp, concise, and even witty if you want.
sure.
Let's get started. So, what do you think about budget clients? Are they a blessing or are they a stress test?
I think the most test.
Okay, all right. What message would you like to give to the travel agents watching this?
Just to satisfy the client, because once we satisfy them, then after that they will again come to us, because in JTB, so we have a propaganda, the perfect moments always. So just create the perfect moment always for the client.
All right. What, according to you, is the most happening destination this year?
I think so. Dubai, Thailand, and Malaysia, or Indonesia, the Asia Pacific countries.
Okay. If you could go to one destination completely free, where would you go?
To be honest, I love Japan the most.
Okay, all right. So, are clients choosing experiences over luxury these days?
Yes, but it depends on the client.
Okay, all right. We'll come back to the business side of things now. What all destinations do you majorly deal in?
We are dealing majorly in Bali, in Japan, and in Thailand. Yes.
Okay. Why do your clients keep coming back to you for repeat bookings?
Because the services we have provided and the relation we have bonded with them.
All right. Okay, so what is the most underrated struggle in a travel agent's life?
The underrated. So being in a operational department, so the underrated struggle like to give the service to the client 24 into 7.
All right, okay. We'll talk about industry realities now. So, what is one thing that online portals can never replace?
I I'm not sure.
It's all right, no worries. Okay, so if an agent wants to grow in the industry, what is one thing that they should fix?
The it's like constability and the dedication towards his work.
Okay, all right. If you could speak to your younger self on day one of your travel journey, what would you tell her?
Mm, like I the first day of my the career, so I have no idea that I have to struggle with this a lot for like being asleep in the night, like I have to skip my food as well, meal as well for the clients. But yes, this is the amazing journey. Whenever the client would happy na, then it's okay.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us today at SATI 2026.
Thank you.
I hope that the viewers, especially those from the travel industry, will gain something meaningful, something insightful from
Sure.
this discussion.
Sure. Thank you.